How can I open, access, view a Spitfire document? What do the document icon colors mean? Well, Spitfire documents are created within the system, and they generally belong to a specific project. But depending on your access level and your permissions, there may be several access points to that document. One of them is in your inbox. If somebody has routed a document to you, or you've just created it and are still working on it, it will be in your inbox and you can open up the document by clicking on the folder icon here. Another place would be the watchdog alerts. If there's an alert that is triggered for a particular document because it's, for example, overdue, you'd be able to actually get into the document by clicking on the icon and perhaps taking care of whatever the situation is. Another way to get to the document would be to go to the project dashboard itself. And there you would be able to look up the document and click on the icon again to open up the document. Another place, if you have recently opened up the document itself, would be to go up to your name and select Recent Documents. Your most recent documents will be listed there and you'd be able to click to open it up again. Also, if you have access to the catalog, you can go over there and select, use your filters to filter off to what kind of document you want. And again, from the list that results, you'd be able to click on the icon and open up a document. Now, I'm talking about all these opening up a document. Let me show you what that would be. You click it up, and this is an example of a Spitfire document. All documents look pretty much the same, although they can be configured very differently. They all have a document header, and then mid-section tabs, and then down here attachment and route detail tabs. What the colors of the icons mean? These green icons will mean that the due date is quite a bit away, so you don't have to worry about it. Yellow would mean that the due date is coming up within the next week, so you probably should look at it. And we have some other colors also. Over here you see red. Those would mean that those documents are overdue. And if you see a blue icon, that means that there is no due date or the document is closed, which means it's a read-only document and you don't have to worry about due dates. So remember, those are all just different access points, different ways to get to the document that you want to look at and maybe deal with.